In this lecture, I'm going to talk about Inkscape tool. That is a good tool for icon, logo, font, and SVG file design. My name is Eric Chow. The Inkscape tool is useful for SVG and XML design for the web page and software system. You can design a logo for certain software for it, or an icon, or some font, or any other general purpose image file design. Let's look at the software installation. For Inkscape tool, first you need to find this website, inkscape.org. An Inkscape tool is a very useful tool for you to draw any image or icons. And it is a vector-based image file creator in SVG, Scalable Vector Graphic Data Format. And it is quite useful to create icons and PNG file for icons and logos. And it can also create an embedded image for the web page, such as the HTML page, because the SVG file is compatible with XML files. Now, let's click Download. In this download page, we can list Linux version, Windows version, Apple version, and source code version. Let's click the Windows version, because I'm using the Windows 10. But I don't like this 0.91 version, because in my experience, it is not very stable with my systems. So I will go back. And right here, the prior stable release version 0.48.5. So I'll click here. And right here, I'm going to choose the one I feel stable with. There are options for the 32-bit system and the Mac system. I'll choose this 32 executable file. So I'm going to download that. It takes a while. We'll be back later after it is downloaded. Now it is done. Let's run it. Click Yes. And then select English. And then click Next. And this is the license agreement. Click Next. And right here, there are some options for you to choose. So there's translation, I don't need it. Delete the personal preference, I don't need it. So let's click Next. And click Install. The system is written down in Python format, so you can see a lot of Python stuff and .py file. And also correct me if I'm wrong. This system is actually built upon Qt system. Now the installation is done. Let's click Next and finish. And let's click this browser. And we have the first page up. So first let's click File. And then there's a document property. Click document property. Border color is gray. That's okay. Background is transparent. That's good, because Inkscape is used for icon and logo design very often. Because Inkscape is usually used for icon and the logo design, so transparency is good for the background. Now let's close it. And then let's zoom in. You use the plus key to zoom in. If you don't like this portrait format, let's change to landscape. So let's change the document. Click on the document and change to landscape. And now let's put in some object. Draw a rectangle. And now let's click layer. Click the layer. Let me zoom it. The layer manager is added to here. Now let's click Fill and Stroke. It's over here. Now let's also bring up the font and text. This one is font and text setup. And let's click this object and transform. Also click object and row and column. These are tools usually be used. Now let's drag this transform up to this row and column region and drop it. And then let's click this fill and stroke, also drag and drop it. And then let's click layer, also drag and drop on the first one. Now the file manager being closed. Let me click this row and column. It changed to row and column. So this file has been grouped. You can just click one bar and then that will change to the other manager. So this drag and drop is very useful. Let's save one file, save as, choose this PC and to C and to my directory for Inkscape. Let me put drawing 2. There are several file formats you can choose. And this time let me try the PNG file. And let's get out of this system. Save as SVG. The default file format is SVG file. Same thing, let's save. And then let's go to the file location. For this PNG file, let me open it with the photo viewer, or we can choose the pen program. It's all compatible. Thank you. Bye.